Hi everyone, Wonia Thibault here with Buckskin Revolution, and it is January, although you'd never know it by the beautiful sunshine, but I am here on my friend's lovely farm, and a couple weeks ago we butchered some lambs on the property. Winter and fall are traditional times for butchering because they're times when outdoor temperatures tend to be cool enough that you can hang the meat and that you can take the time to get to a lot of the processing that would be hard to do in the summer when temperatures are so warm that they might be spoiling your meat. So we butchered the lambs, we hung the meat for about 12 days, and then we did a couple different things with some of the organs. So we had liver pate, which was amazing, and one of the resources that a lot of folks often don't think to use and that often goes to waste in this country is the blood of the animal. Now, a lot of people think, wow, using the blood, that's so weird and that's so inhumane. But it is so much more humane and sustainable and environmentally conscious to use every part of the animal. Blood is really nutritious and it's an amazing resource. And there's all kinds of things you can do with it, from savory to sweet. So today I want to walk you through a process of making an amazing sweet treat, which is an Italian blood pudding, which is a sweet, chocolatey blood pudding that tastes just like chocolate mousse. It's absolutely wonderful. A really great way to get important nutrients in your body, especially in the winter when there's less fresh green thing to eat, which again, you hardly know it looking in the backdrop here, but way less abundant than other seasons. And this stuff right here is like gold. Quick and easy to make, totally delicious. You would never know it had blood in it if someone didn't tell you. It just tastes like the inside of a truffle. It's amazing. My friend Ellen and I are going to walk you through the process of making this fabulous delicacy. So try it out, you won't be sorry.
Of lovely sheep's blood. So we're going to make Italian chocolate blood pudding, which is traditionally made with pig's blood, but today I'm doing it with lamb's blood because that's what I recently butchered. It's a lovely lamb. I just use equal parts milk and blood, and then it's basically just vanilla and chocolate and sugar to taste. And I like to put orange rind in it as well because I think orange goes pretty well with chocolate, and it also kind of complements and masks a slight metallic flavor that can happen from the blood, which personally I don't mind, but
Helps your friends want to eat it sometimes.
the combination of the blood and the orange is so complementary that I feel like almost anybody will eat this. Baker's chocolate or unsweetened chocolate mass. A bit of a chocolate freak, so I'm putting the amount that I would call plenty.
Excellent.
I'm using coconut sugar. Present some challenges.
Yeah.
Because you're basically relying on the blood to coagulate. And I usually put salt in chocolatey things because I like how it complements the flavor, but the blood is salty enough that you don't really need to do that.
Sure.
I'm just confirming that it is quite strong chocolate-wise.
Oh, yeah, it's great.
And then you can put the blood in. Basically just gently cook it, whisk it. And when you get to like kind of a pudding-like consistency,
And how long does that usually take?
it's just that double boiler math.
Thank you.
But
Cool. Yeah, I mean, I would call that pretty pudding.
That's done.
So good. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you're interested in learning more about what I do and ways to learn from me, check out my website, www.buckskinrevolution.com. Also, if you really like what I'm doing and want to support it, please check out my Patreon profile and consider supporting me through that platform. It makes a huge difference in the content and the quality of the content that I can put out into the world, and you get all kinds of wonderful benefits as well. Thanks, folks, and thanks for joining me in the Buckskin Revolution.